Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a LinkedIn business page. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger company, having a LinkedIn business page is essential for networking and promoting your brand. Let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the For Businesses icon and select Create a Company Page from the drop-down menu. You'll see different options for the type of page you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll choose the company page. Select the one that best fits your business. Now, fill out your business details. Enter your company name, LinkedIn public URL, website link if you have one. Choose the industry. Organizational size, and organization type. Then upload the business logo. You can see the recommended size and file type here. Then type a tagline, something short that describes your company. Then select the tick box to agree with the terms and enter Create Page. Once you create the page, you can customize your page, add a cover image, update your business hours, location, and any other relevant information. When you're satisfied with your page, click Publish. Your LinkedIn business page is now live. Start sharing content, engaging with your audience, and inviting your connections to follow your page. And that's it. You've successfully created your LinkedIn business page. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more business tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.